Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to trim a video on Picsart. If you're trying to trim a video, first of all launch open the Picsart app on your device and make sure that you're signed in. Now go to the bottom center of the screen and tap on the plus button. Select the video you want to trim from your device's camera roll. After selecting the video, click next at the bottom right. Now in the preview screen, go ahead and drag the little white line and choose the area where you want to trim the video on. Now tap on the video layer and then you can drag the edges of the video. You can drag left or right in order to shorten your video clip. You can do this on either sides as shown on the screen. That way you will be able to trim unwanted areas in the video. If you ever want to split your video into halves, go ahead and select the part where you want to split and click on split from the bottom. And that's how you can easily trim your video on Picsart. After you are done, you can tap on apply at the top right corner to apply your changes, and there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.